let's look about the functions and the structure of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was discovered by the scientist Camillo Golgi. He was a great scientist. He even got a Nobel Prize for his work that he did for the staining of nerve cells. And the reaction that he carried out is known as black reaction that helps to study nervous system by staining a neuron. So he got even a Nobel Prize for that. So it was a great scientist, Camillo Golgi, who discovered the Golgi apparatus. Now, what's Golgi apparatus and what's its function? So, the structure first. Golgi apparatus is made up of a single membrane bound vesicles which are arranged almost parallel to each other in a stack. Now, what is a stack? Stack means one above the other. So, if you put a stack of coins, means putting the coins one over the other. That is called a stack of coins. So, the Golgi apparatus is made up of single membrane bound vesicles which are arranged almost parallel to each other, and it's like a stack, and that is known as cisterns. This stack of Golgi apparatus, this stack of vesicles is known as cisterns. So that is the structure of Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus is in close connection with endoplasmic reticulum. It's present close to the endoplasmic reticulum. That is also for a reason. Endoplasmic reticulum, you all know that it synthesizes proteins and fats. So, rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins, smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes fats. So, endoplasmic reticulum basically synthesizes proteins and fats. And the function of Golgi apparatus is the storage, modification, and packaging of all these products in vesicles and sending them to the places where they are required. We can understand the functioning of Golgi apparatus comparing it with a chips factory. So suppose our endoplasmic reticulum is just like a farm. Any factory, if you have to set up, that you prefer to set up to a place which is close to the area where there are raw materials required for that. So if we talk about a chips factory, then the raw material is potato. So suppose the potatoes which are grown in this endoplasmic reticulum, and the chips factory, the Golgi apparatus, is going to store the potatoes. It's going to modify it into the form of chips and package that and send it to you. So similarly, the Golgi apparatus is close to the endoplasmic reticulum, that is close to the raw materials which are needed to be stored, modified, and packaged and sent to the areas of action. Golgi apparatus also performs a functioning of converting simple sugars to complex sugars. So that modification of simple sugars into complex sugars, that will also be performed by Golgi apparatus. Apart from that, one very important function of Golgi apparatus is the formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes, we are going to talk about that, but lysosomes are formed by the Golgi apparatus because lysosomes also has some enzymes, and enzymes are made up of proteins only. So this Golgi apparatus will be helping in the formation of lysosomes and plasma membrane, which again is made up of proteins and lipids. So formation of lysosomes and plasma membranes will also be helped by the Golgi apparatus. I hope this is an easy organelle for you all to remember. I'll just shift aside so that you can take a screenshot.